Step by step, moving back what was left. The feeling getting hazy when I'm with you. Such a pretty sad picture. Step by step, moving back what was left. Shattered like broken mirrors when I'm with you. Ufunora ukombecheza bare ruyatara Nontisanga bangana na ntisanga sibara Bore anicha mfuna ngone atina kara Dawanga magona ndichitota onima Phone ring ring kasaletsa niko fara Mia bana, ari actually rikote ya ulichana Ufunora perana, ari zuyafana.
Yo, what's good YouTube? Welcome back to my other video. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. So in today's video, I just want to show you how to make a sad beat from FL Studio Mobile. And me and my friend Franklin Sauce, as I told you, we're working on new music. So that's what I was playing from the beginning of the video. But anyways, I just want to show you how I made this beat and how simple it was, and rap on it and kill it, you know. But anyways, I just want to thank you for liking, subscribing, commenting on my channel. But if you're new to the channel, make sure you subscribe, comment, like and share. So I'm gonna show you everything about the beat, how I made the beat and what I used on the beat. So if you wanna learn more, make sure you watch the video until the end. So me and Frank were cooking up some new tapes together. So studio session, studio time together, and we're gonna drop an EP, sort of like 6 tracks, 7 tracks on it. So I'm gonna share everything like a link on my description when we are done. But for now, you just can like watch the video and learn more about beat making, and yeah man, subscribe to the channel, comment, like and share. What I like about this beat, honestly, it was just because the beat was so simple. The beat was like straightforward, you know. The beat, I didn't add too much. So sometimes when you're making beats, you gotta leave enough space, enough room for an artist to jump on, for an artist to get a chance to kill your beat, you understand, when you're making this music. But anyways, fast forward, everything went smooth. We recorded, and Frank is good. He knows what he's doing. He can produce, he can master, he can mix, he can even rap and make vocals, you know. And I myself, I'm trying to improve also. I'm trying to learn how to make my own vocals, and I'm trying to do the best I can. But anyways, shout out to Franklin Sauce. Yeah, he's the best, he's amazing. He's the one who's rapping on this beat. I made the beat for him, man. Made the beat and everything went smooth, bro. Everything went smooth. And that's why now I feel like I can share so that you know how simple it is to make beats on FL Studio Mobile. Like, I make it look easy, I know, but it's not that simple, you know. But anyways, support our music, support the channel, and you can go to the description, go to his channel, subscribe to his channel. Let's grow, man. Support local musicians, support local artists, you know what I'm saying. Don't envy, no jealous, you know, but let's push, man. We're together in this. All I want is to collaborate with as many people as possible, you know. I made this simple piano, soulful, melodic type of beat, you understand. Let's get it, bro. So the first thing that I started with on this beat, it's simple. I started with the piano, and it's like a sample. Okay, start with the sample. All I loved about the sample was that it's a piano. It sounds jazzy, soulful, kind of piano. So what I did was to start with the piano. I had to cut out the lows, and this is how it sounds. So yeah man, what is a beat without drums, claps, kicks, hi-hats? So this is how I made my drum pattern for this beat. So simple, straight to the point. This is how it sounds. I can't just add a piano without adding a lead, So all I did after adding the piano, I had to add a lead to make it sound good and sound so timeless. A lead makes the beat sound so timeless. Make it sound good and special and impactful and great. And this is how it sounds. And after I added the piano, I went straight to the 808, and this is how it sounds. So after adding everything, the kick, the claps, the drums, and everything, this is how the whole beat sound.
Step by step, moving back what was left. The feeling getting hazy when I'm with you. Such a pretty sad picture. Step by step, moving back what was left. Shattered like broken mirrors.
So I just want to thank you all for watching this video until the end. Bro, we pushing, bro. We local music. Local musicians, you understand? Young producers, young artists on the come up, trying to build our profile, trying to do what is necessary because like we don't have a record label, but we ourselves we know that we can and we are capable and we are pushing this thing. You understand? If you got the right people behind you, you can do it. You understand? So me, I just want to say thank you, much appreciation and thankful for the love and everything that you're showing me on this channel. I do this for my community. I do this for the love of music, bro. But anyways, I just want to say thank you for watching this video until the end. I'll be dropping more tutorials like this one, but if you want beats, make sure you click the link on my description, go to my Telegram, or tell me what you want on my other videos, understand? But I feel like the track is good, everything is on point, and yeah, man, we're pushing, man. We're pushing. Thanks for watching. Let's get it.